Writer's block. We've all been there, especially when it comes to finding those less competitive, more niche topics that people actually want to learn about from you.
Luckily, AI and SEO tools have made it super easy to figure out what to blog about and find topics that are great for your audience.
That's why in this video, we're going to show you how to use AI tools to find the right topics to blog about that go beyond the surface and tap into something real for your audience. And that's why we made the People Also Ask tool inside of RightBlogger. You can create a free account and use this tool anytime you want. This tool helps you identify long-tail keywords opportunities where people are searching for things on Google that have less competition. So, for example, let's say you're a financial planner or you work in tax preparation. You'd want to enter something like tax planning into the People Also Ask tool, and then we immediately get a long list of potential ideas here for how we could approach writing about taxes in ways that are less competitive. For example, we see a bunch of different ways you can approach writing about tax planning. We've got things like how tax planning is different from tax evasion, is tax planning legal, a lot of Q&A based style content, and then we've got a lot more in-depth stuff. Why is tax planning important? What is tax planning? A lot of opportunities for more in-depth pieces of content, and then more niche stuff here too as well. Here's what makes this tool particularly helpful though. Right here at the top, we have this little explainer area that you can expand, and you'll get a really good sense of what content types are going to be successful for approaching these topics. In-depth guides, explainer videos, interactive infographics, and then we highlight some of the more unique opportunities for how you can approach this topic. For example, local SEO, tax planning advisor near me. You could have a page or a post on your site that talks about the services you offer locally, and we have a couple more suggestions for how you could approach these topics. But what's important here is that you're using these tools to pinpoint more niche topics you can create content about rather than just pursuing the obvious things.
And the best thing about this tool is that you can use it as much as you want, so definitely experiment with different keywords and phrases and topics while you're using it. We also have a dedicated blog post idea generator if you want to put in a specific topic in there and get a full list of ideas for your blog, and even Smart Suggest, which will find topics for your blog based on your site's URL and existing topics you've already covered. And if you want to learn more about AI content creation, definitely check out our free course, AI Foundations on RightBlogger. You can find it in the link below and check it out. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching.